When you put it in the fish tank, the bubbles will make it open and close. Yeah.
What's it here?
That's where the bubbles go through. The air line. Good deal? Here, I'll hold that. You open up another one, okay? This one's yours. You want me to take the ribbon off so you can get it open?
Yeah.
Here you go, bud. Oh, you want to open the big one? Oh, you can leave that on. It'll come open.
Huh?
It'll come open even with the stickers.
Huh?
Here, open it up. There you go. You want me to help? Oh. Oh, good job.
I got it.
Oh, there's a little bit more.
I opened it.
All right, here. You unwrap this present, and I'll open your blocks up, okay? While you're working on that. What's in there? I don't know. You've got to open it up. Find out. What you got there, buddy?
I got my block.
What's this? What's here? Oh, look.
Wow.
What is that?
The jacket.
Yeah, dinosaur jacket. What else did you get? Dinosaur stuff, yeah. Oh, look at that. A Triceratops shirt.
I look up in my box.
Okay.
Look up my box.
Oh, look. It's a clone trooper. Yeah, I know, it's not blocked.